So you're going to do three different kinds of ways to represent data that you guys organized or participated in the class survey. This is not, none of these are going to be brand new concepts. You're going to use frequency tables in lots of different ways as you go through school. There'll be a little bit in eighth grade, but mostly in statistics in the high school. So I just want to get just have a start or an introduction to frequency tables and what they look like. You're going to be setting up, and you should set up the exact same thing I have here. What you're doing with the frequency table is you're saying, how many times does each answer occur? Okay, so first thing I would do is I figure out how many rows I need for choices. And so I'm just going to make something up. Okay, let's say I go to my grandchildren and I say, we're gonna have a picnic, and I want to know how many, what flavor ice cream do you like? All right, so I can get you vanilla. I can get chocolate, and I can get strawberry. So I'm going to just stick with the three biggies. So then I go and I start figuring out who is going to do what. Okay, so I go to one family and I say, so what kind of ice cream do you like? And I know that Dominic is going to have chocolate, and Kim is going to have chocolate, and Landon's going to have vanilla. And that the little baby, I think, is going to have chocolate too, because I've seen him eat it. Okay, and then I go to the other family and I say, so what kind of ice cream do you like? And I know that Isaac likes strawberry, and Micah sometimes likes strawberry. I'm going to give him strawberry. He mostly likes strawberry. Jude and Noah, I think, both like vanilla. They like vanilla, and then they put toppings on it. And Grace does also. She also likes vanilla. Okay, so there I have some of my grandchildren. I'm going to go to another family. I have 5 families. I'm going to do 3. One of the other families, the one that lives in Brooklyn, I'm going to ask Scarlett, and Scarlett will want chocolate. I'm betting anything. Sal might want strawberry, and I think Claire May is going to want vanilla. And so you see that in that tally column, as I'm figuring out how many, I'm writing down tally marks. And you can see that when I get a group of 5, and I'm sure you've done this before, but just in case, that group of 5 is 4 lines and a line across. Okay, in the frequency side now, I say, well, how many times did that happen? Well, vanilla, 5 times. Chocolate, 4 times. Strawberry, 3 times. How many do I have all together? I have 12. Somebody check me. I'm pretty sure 5 and 3 is 9, and 5 and 4 is 9, and 3 is 12. Okay, so then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the percent. Okay, so I know that this is going to be 5 out of 12, and this is going to be 4 out of 12, and this is going to be 3 out of 12. And then I would divide the numerator by the denominator. So in this bottom one, I'm dividing 12 into 3, right? And you'll probably you can do it in your calculator. That's fine. 24, 65. And so I would multiply that by 100, and I get 25%. And that is all you're going to do. That is, I just want you to get used to the idea of calling them frequency tables. I'm not sure if they got to this in 6th grade, introducing frequency. And we know in life, frequency is, how much it happens. How frequent do I get to go to lunch with my friends? How frequent do I hand my homework in? How frequent do I get 100 on a test? We know that means how often? How many times does that occur? And so this is what your frequency table will look like for the question that you are doing. And you're going to be doing 2 frequency tables. And then you're going to compare them and talk about, make comparison statements about them. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, you just need to let me know. I think it's pretty straightforward, but I'm always here and I love doing math. So call me anytime, text me, message me. I'm here. Okay, bye-bye.